Hello everyone, welcome to this video of Aerosop community. Today I am going to demonstrate about Bus Cafe. As you can see, there are many other platforms in one app. Bus Cafe is one of the platform of Aerosop system and application in one app. Let's click on this P2P marketplace. We will be redirected to Bus Cafe dashboard. Bus Cafe is a convenience solution offered to Aerosop ecosystem. Here user can buy and sell services in peer-to-peer mode. As you can see, there are many listed shops under various category. We can see shops which is having very high rate have been listed under high rated shops. You can also see nearby shops which provides products and services nearby your location. You can get the address and contact number on clicking on this particular shop. Let's click on this high rated shop. I can see the details, description and the ratings given by some customers to this shop. Also you can directly contact the owner of the services. If you are interested in buying their services, go to payment and continue their transaction and successfully complete the transaction and enjoy these services. Let's go back and see other features in this Bus Cafe. Click on this sidebar. You can see several features like Bus Cafe Pay, service by category, add business product, profile, business list, my QR code, wallet, coupon, exchange history. Let's go to add business. If you are a seller and you are interested in listing the shop, just click on this add business. You have to just fill this form. It's very easy form like business. You have to add your business name, address, contact number, some interesting images regarding your business, and just click on this add business button. Your business will be listed. Also you can add your product under your business. For example, I have already listed my business here, so I'll click on this business. See, I have not listed any product, so I will click on this add button. We'll have another form, so I'll fill this form and list my business. I'll list this form under my business and add my product. As we have seen previously how we have listed business and product. So if you are a customer, if you want to see any product of the service, you can click on this service, just view product. You will get product list and information, prices of the product. Again, now we click on this sidebar. We can see some more features like profile. You can add your profile if you are new in Bus Cafe. As you can see, I have already added my profile before, so now I can edit my profile image. So I choose from my library. Then click on this update profile. Profile gets updated successfully. Let's go and see some more features like my QR code. So you have listed your business and you want to see your QR, or else your customer wants to make a payment. The only thing you have to do is click on this business. You can see QR has been generated. Customer can scan this QR code and make a payment. Let's go to this wallet. You have deposit and withdraw wallet. So here you can enter the ES amount. The minimum withdrawal limit should be more 250. So you can enter the amount and withdraw the amount. Deposit, if you want to deposit ES, you can deposit ES from Erasop Life, or you can deposit through hash transfer. Let's go to exchange history. If you made any transactions or any kind of exchanges of your services, products, that information can be viewed here. As you can see, there's nothing here because I have not made any kind of transaction till now. So you have other options like Bus Cafe Pay, coupons. If you go to the coupon, you can see this is the listed business. I'll click on this business. There's no data, that means there's no coupon available. I will click on this ad and can fill this form and add coupon under this business, so that we as a seller can provide our customers a valuable deals and some discounts to attract to our services.